Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to add a font awesome local reference instead of a CDN. When we add a CDN, that's a cloud reference, sometimes it will be blocked by the companies and the proxy will not be allowed and we'll be getting a cross origin access error. So to avoid that, what we can do is we can have a local copy of an font awesome into our local machine, and then we can reference from the local instead of always referring to the cloud link of an font awesome. So to do that, the first step is you have to go to the font awesome website, and we can find the download link on the Google page. And when you click on this, you shall see a downloads page. And here the current version of Font Awesome is 630 for the web. So here there is a reference called free for web. So when we click on this, the Font Awesome will get downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, you shall go to your downloads area and you could check it. Here we will be having a zip file downloaded like this, and when we extract this, we'll be having a folder like this. So here when I have to I should be taking a copy of this folder. And now you should be having your HTML folder also ready with you. When you right click on here and then say Reveal Explorer, so you will go to the direct path of that particular HTML folder. So you have to paste that folder structure in this area. After we paste this folder successfully, let's take a look at the folder elements which is present inside the Font Awesome meantime. So when you go to the Font Awesome folder, extract that folder, so you can see that there is a Font Awesome CSS and JS, less metadata, SCSS, sprites, and SVGs and web fonts. So it downloads the entire copy of our Font Awesome package into our local system, and it provides us one CSS file. In this CSS file is the CSS folder, and the CSS folder is the place where we can find all the local references, the class names, local references in this folder. So here there will be always one file called all.min.css and all.css. We should always be giving an all.min.css because this is a minified version, and also this loads faster, and you can check that all.css occupies 137 KB and all.min.css occupies 100 KB, so which means that it is reduced in 37 KB size. So that is the difference. Just for a minified version and also smaller in size, we go with the all.min.css instead of all.css. So now the folder has gotten downloaded into our local folder. How do we reference this into our HTML file is, you just take the same way how we are doing a linked CSS for our user defined styles, which we are going to mention. That's an external style sheets. So here you can just do in control space and you will find Font Awesome / and again Font Awesome, because there are two folders within that. If you don't want a two folder structure in that way, you can also directly copy the inside folder, and you can see that there is a CSS, and inside which you can see there is an allmin.css. So now the Font Awesome package is successfully referenced into our file, that is an HTML file. When we have to use the Font Awesome icons, we always go with an I element, and we could also use in span tag, but span tag is not self-explanatory, just for a semantic element purpose, because HTML provides an semantic elements. Here we go with the I icon. I is self-descriptive, that is an icon tag. And here I'll tell the class as FA, and when I type FA, you could see that it is all referencing from the all.min.cs from the local. So here I would give it as fan FA hyphen, and I can give a mobile icon. And I'll give this name as mobile. So when we have to execute this particular file, what I'll do is I'll just take a copy path of this file. I'll go into my Chrome and I'll just execute. And you can see that the mobile icon is already coming up. And here, if I have to add in multiple styles, or if I have to add colors to my Font Awesome, so I'll just go ahead and say here. And also the icon size is not the icon size has to be increased for you. So we have a sizes like FA1, FA2, FA2X, 1X. So here you can just apply that particular size and you can see if this will be okay for you. If this is not okay, we can just increase the size and you can play around with the other sizes until we get used to the sizes of each and every class names on the font awesome icon. And if I have to add a card symbol, so I can go ahead and use this FA card, and will be having an card symbol. Okay, here we have a card symbol. So sometimes when we have to have an image, when we have an image icon is taking a longer time to load it. So in that case, we have to show a spinner. So when we have to show a spinner, so we use, there is something called FA-spinner. And you can say it is loading. And you could see here the spinner is coming up, but it is not spinning. So when we have to make it spin, so there is another class that we have to use that's called as FA-spin. So here, when you refresh and see, you could see that the spinner is running. So this is how we use the font awesome with a local reference. And I hope you understood this. And in case of any clarifications or any other details needed more, you can send me a message on the comment section. Happy learning. Thank you.